Hello guys, good day, good morning, good day Mentor Sarah. My name is Alan Liana Ramos, aka Lance, one of your batchmates from Batch 12 Philippine Guiders School. Here's my feedback video for the past days. For this event we have, I am very sure lahat po tayo pagod, puyat, and still exploring kung paano matatapos mga individual at group tasks we had. But still, nakikita ko, we still manage to find time para lahat ng task na binigay sa atin ay matapos. We have to thank God na binigyan niya tayo ng strength, the will para every task we have ay matapos natin. As what we have used to say sa mga chat messages natin, every time na mayroon mga nadadown sa atin, we always say na kaya natin to. I knew I can feel that each one of us has a big why dahilan kung bakit andito pa rin tayo for not giving up. We still manage to hang on sa mga activities natin, and I find this event as interesting, challenging, exciting, and enjoy. Interesting kasi this might be our key to our success and reach our dreams and our big why. Challenging, it is because we need natin mag-alat ng time for this, but still, we make sure na hindi affected yung mga ibang tasks natin sa buhay, sa work, and especially sa mga families natin. I find it exciting dahil all of our tasks here are different from our day-to-day tasks. Enjoy, it is because we meet other people with common goals in life, exchanging ideas, sharing it. I'd like to thank our mentor Sarah for guiding us, though some of us, including me, hindi nakaka-attend ng mga live meetings. But still, mentor Sarah making a way para maka-relay, maka-cope up in all our tasks. And to the group 2, thank you for all the support. Group task is almost done. To Batch Cherry, whom I always call our valedictorian, and despite that, na tablet ang gamit niya, ang galing pa rin niya. Hindi siya, nakaka-catch up siya sa mga lessons, and she always shared her ideas to everyone. And kulitan loose with Batch Norms, pero with sense. Batch Irma, na on the spot, we knew kasi that you are one of the right person from the group to present our group tasks. And Batch Griselda, who keep on pushing the team, and Batch Abdel, who shared his ideas. Nice working with you guys, and thank you for that. And if not all of us will pass, hoping that most numbers from this batch, which is Batch 12, ay makapasa and makagraduate. And lastly, to our founder Sergey Mabrodi for creating this unique, great system, we thank you. All dreams will be fulfilled. Again, this is Alan Liana Ramos, also known as Lance, saying, yes, together we can change the world.